Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how you can make this interesting isometric animation text effect in Figma. Let's see. Let's create a frame and hit the T and type the text. Let's type a text. I'm going to type Bhavani Shankar Designs. Yes, that's our YouTube channel name. And now we can add on auto layout. Press Shift A. And then I'm going to add a fill now. Let's change the color to the blue and the text color will be white. So at this stage we need to add on extra space above the Bhavani Shankar text. Then make it two copies like this. So the last frame needs changing. We just need to delete the space above the Bhavani Shankar text and add it below the designs. Now let's resize the first frame. I'm going to align it to the left center and resize it until you don't see the designs text. So if I change the color of the text, you will see that the design is still visible. So for that we need to clip content. And I am just going to bring the white color. Let's click content to other frames and let's resize it to the size of the first frame. For the next step we are going to use a plugin. Select your frame, go to plugins, isometric and run right. Let's select another frame and run top right. It's the line is somewhere here. Let's run right again. So align it accordingly. So once you do it, it's time to tweak the text a little bit. So let's change the setting of the second frame. I'm just gonna change it so that I see that design text and the bottom one I don't want to see anything. So let's tweak the colors a little bit so that it has more depth. So for this I'm gonna make the fill a little bit lighter and I'm gonna make the text here a little bit darker. The same goes in here. We are gonna make the text a little bit darker here. So the next step will be animate the thing. So for that we need to frame selection, make the copy of the whole frame and then apply a prototype to it. So let's drag the frames handle here makes it while hovering. So let's change it to Smart Animate and somewhere around 500 should be okay. So when hovering I want the Bhavani Shankar text. So you can change the here. So I want the Bhavani Shankar text to be gone for that. Just let's tweak its alignment. For the center one, I want to see the Bhavani Shankar text, and for the bottom one, I want to see the design text. So yes, let's test our prototype by clicking that play button. So when you hover the frame, you can see that we have this cool animation. I hope you got an idea from this video. If you need a more related videos, like this video and subscribe my channel. See you later.